Hi, Steve Draper here, my workshop in Bellevue, Nebraska. You may notice that my workshop is looking a whole lot different right now than what you see me in the past. And the reason is because I'm getting ready to go into heart bypass surgery, and I'm going to have some projects going on. My son's going to be doing for me while I'm recovering from the heart bypass surgery. So I'm not going to be able to do anything in my workshop for about 2 months. So I'm not going to be able to really be making any videos in here. So right now I've moved most of the things into my workshop so I can do some renovations I'm doing in other parts of the basement here to expand my workshop for when I'm able to come back after I've recovered from my surgery. So you'll notice over here in this corner of my workshop, my Mark 7 is back there in the corner. My Shorty is back there. My overhead pin router, my Jointmatic, my work table, all back in this corner of the workshop. You'll notice over here, I've moved my freezer out from that other room into here. Over in this corner over here, I've moved in here. This is my stand for my jointer, my Shopsmith jointer. You'll notice over here, I've moved in some things in here, some grinders, some water storage, barrel here. Come around over here, I've moved in a file cabinet here, and I've moved over here my metal storage cabinet where I have all my paints and other types of things like that. One of the reasons I'm able to do this in my workshop is because I have everything mounted on the wall in my workshop. So you'll notice back here behind this here, all my table systems mounted to the wall and everything here. So this is the advantage of mounting everything on the wall in your workshop. So now we're going to come back, and Dottie's going to watch me walk through this room here, and she can follow me here with the camera. We're walking through this room here. This is the one I recently put the tile on. It used to be my sewing room. And now we're going to come out here into the big room, and she's going to put the camera in the middle of the room here. And so now here I am in the big room. This is where I've moved all that stuff out of. The rest of the things in this room will, over the next several days, will get moved out of here so that my son can tear up all this carpet and expand and put the linoleum tile for this tile room in this room as well. So what the still corner you're seeing me standing in here now, I used to have my Jointmatic and my overhead pin router over here in this area. But what's going to happen when this is all done is this wall along here, where you see this dust collector vacuum system here sitting, I'm going to be putting in my Festool crosscut saw. I'm going to be putting in along this wall here, and all this stuff will be gone. None of this stuff is going to be here. And then we'll come down here. This will all be free down here. And all of this junk that you see down here, this is all going to be gone. And then right exactly where the camera is at this moment, that's where my new workbench from Lee Nielsen that's being manufactured right now, that's where that's going to be sitting, is right in the middle of this room here. Here's an overview here so you can see a better look at the large room that I'll be expanding my workshop into. And then back in this room here that I'm walking into now, everything in here will be gone. This is going to be moved out of here. And then when everything's all said and done, that freezer will get moved into this room along with the file cabinet and the tall metal storage cabinet. Those things will all get moved back into this room here that I'm standing in right now. And there's also, you can't see it from the camera, but over in this corner, there's a closet over here with some drawers. But we're not going to worry about showing that with the camera unless Dottie's really insistent upon that, which it appears that she is.
There it is.
Okay, so now we'll go back over to that original room where I put in the new hardwood flooring, which I showed you last week, I think. Show you what that looks like now. And so we'll come back over here, and this is here, the hardwood flooring that I put in here, going into this room here. And you can see in here, we've moved all of our food storage all into this room. And so that's what this room is exclusively for our food storage. So that's the extent of the changes that has been going on, will continue to go on. My son's going to be doing while I'm recovering from the heart bypass surgery. So you won't be seeing very many more videos, just the ones that I can do in the next few days before my heart surgery, which is scheduled for a week today. Today is Tuesday. A week from today, it'll be. Today is the. Let's see. Today's the 16th of June. So a week today, 23rd. A week from today, that's when that heart surgery will be done, and so you won't be seeing any new videos other than the couple that I do here the next 2 days before my surgery. So I'm trying to get as much done here, everything taken care of before I go into surgery, so that I can just focus on that. And so you won't be seeing me in my workshop for a couple months, but I'll see you in a couple months. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.